Onpassive is the answer to our dreams. Savor the journey because there will not be a journey like the one that we are on. Founders in Onpassive, do you know how blessed we are? Our lives and our families' lives will forever change because of Mr. Mufareh. He created Onpassive for all who never had the opportunity to wake up each morning without the feeling of where their lives are headed that day. How will they be able to afford the necessities of life? That is a struggle for millions of people all over the world. Mr. Mufareh realized early on that there is enough wealth that, if distributed, could feed and house everyone on earth. He needed a vehicle that could deliver those funds where they are needed the most. He knew that it could be done, so he created a system in Onpassive that could offer value to those who are spending money on things that were needed to operate their businesses operating online and give those businesses tools that they needed at a dramatic reduction in the prices they were being charged. Mr. Mufareh invited people to partner with him to help him in this massive mission. Those people are called founders. Mr. Mufareh and his staff built from the ground up the best digital suite of artificial intelligence and machine learning products into a fully automated done-for-you system that made it easier for people to be able to have businesses that could help support their families. So the money that was spent paying for high-priced digital products from companies overcharging their users, to an affordable state-of-the-art, superior products. The wealth was there. Now Onpassive has changed the way the wealth will be distributed. Founders will share in the wealth brought in by Onpassive, and Mr. Mufareh and his family have promised that they will share the wealth with the founders. Founders are caring and loving like Mr. Mufareh and his family. They will share their wealth to help those who are homeless and hungry and support them. That will happen in over 200 countries throughout the earth. Thank you Mr. Mufareh and your family and staff for not just thinking of yourselves, but of humanity.